Hello, friends and followers. Well, here's an update from my Paragon 1. This is Paragon number 2, which I've been calling the Paragon from Hell. Anyway, I found this voice card was drawing a lot of current, so I started the laborious process of fixing this thing. I ordered some sockets. I'm going to pull out these chips and replace them. These I think are bus chips. I hope these aren't bad, but I've already taken this chip out, take those out, replace them, see how it goes with current draw. If I still got draw, when these are pulled out and these are all pulled out, then it's something over here. I want to get this thing down to no current draw basically, so I can put it back in the radio. When the radio is powered off, this was drawing about 5 to 7 milliamperes, and that kills the backup battery. So yeah, I guess I want to get this board working and put it back in. I stuck it on eBay, but we'll see if it sells or not. The voice, I don't use it that much, ever, but it's just the engineer in me wants all this stuff to work. So anyway, voice board. I redid the program which works with the Paragon today for loading up the memories, and I loaded a lot more memories. The Paragon has this weird ASCII coding that programs the memory. So anyway, I got it working now so I can put in regular ASCII in here. So here's all the memories now, how I program them. I just type in what I want right here as far as memory 00. I type in the frequency and the mode and then a little tag. So, and underscore means space. So that's how that works, and I included some local AM radio stations in the Las Vegas area. You can go from 0 to 61, so it has basically 62 memories in it. So ASCII wise, I had this table in here, which I'm not even sure anymore where I got this table, but you got to put in these strange characters here. So A is L, B is M. You got to encode it that way to make it work with an ASCII string, and I forget why that is the way it is. But then I was playing around today for an hour or two, too much time on this stuff, and I found that I could encode this stuff, and let me find that section. So now I'm encoding it with sort of like with ASCII. So yeah, right here. So now if I find, say, an A, I put in an ASCII code of 76, B is 77, C is 78. But these don't really go in line. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, these are all in line, right? They go all the way in line, and then when you hit L, it goes to 72 and 73 ASCII code, which is weird. N goes to 66, and that's random. N 66062, P 67. I'm not sure why it's like that. That's just how it is to program this thing. So I did this all by trial and error, just by putting in numbers and watching the display. At any rate, that works. So now I can just use basic ASCII strings to program this thing. And that's what I'm doing. So I just do like a CHR lookup on the tag, and the tag is what we're inputting here, and then I'm doing the lookup from this table here. So lookup is coming from this dictionary called lookup, and that's how that works. At any rate, I put all those memories now into this Paragon 1, and yeah, it's pretty cool. So memory tune here. So I can start off at 0. And there's FT8 on 160 band. WWV at 2.5 megahertz. CHU Canada, which isn't coming in yet. And now we have FT8 on 80 meters, a little bit coming in. There's WWV 5 megahertz coming in. Now we have the 60 meter band, these channels, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's somebody there. So I thought that was a good use for these channels, to put them in it for tags. That's pretty cool. FT8 on 40 meters. CHU Canada on pretty much 40 meters. WWV Fort Collins. FT8 30 meters. FT8 on 20. CHU on pretty much 20 meters, not coming in. WWV in Hawaii. FT8 17 meters. WWV on 20 megahertz. FT8 on 15 meters. FT8 on, what's this, 12 meters. WWV at 25 megahertz. FT8 on 10 meters. And oh, this is the 10 meter net frequency we have here in Las Vegas at 7 p.m. on Sunday. And here's some of the AM stations. So there's somebody talking on there. 3870, 3885. And here's some of the local AM guys on here. SWR check. WA6J Go ahead. Here's some of the sideband channels here that are busy around California, Las Vegas. Got the kilowatt part, but I'm going to be... This channel I think is used for nets. Here's the repeater in Ontario, Canada on FM. It's of course not coming in. Now I have FM stations or AM stations in the area of Las Vegas. Or online at don'tbebroke.com. And don't forget, your further forgotten is, so if somebody's listening. Super easy. From the moment the customer arrives, they're greeted and online at zipzapautos.com. Rim loves the spring in Vegas. Circus Survivor and Circus Millionaire now up to a record 6. You can listen to the TC Martin Show Monday through Friday. Anyway, that's it. Back to zero. NY6LJ, and also while I've got you, last week I did ask the group about At any rate, that's my little tour of the memories now. That's a nice feature they have. So now if the backup battery holds out, hopefully I fixed that yesterday, the memories should stay in there. and everything will be copacetic. If I lose the memories, I just reprogram them again through the RS-232 cable and the Python program. Here's pretty much the Python program. I'll put this up on GitHub for people to use it if they want it. So that's all there is to getting this thing going. Of course, you need a serial cable, and that's it. That's what I have so far, programming the old Paragon I and memories. And this thing also does band scans and all that, but whatever. I just want to get the memories programmed in without typing all that stuff in there, which would ruin my day. That's about it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.